In this video, I'm going to show you how much YouTube TV NFL RedZone costs and what it offers for football fans. NFL RedZone is available as part of YouTube TV's Sports Plus add-on package, which is designed for sports enthusiasts. The Sports Plus package costs $16 per month on top of your regular YouTube TV subscription, which starts at $72.99 per month. This means that with the Sports Plus add-on, your total monthly cost would be $88.99. NFL RedZone is a must-have for football fans who don't want to miss any of the action. It provides live coverage of every Sunday afternoon game, switching to the most exciting moments and touchdowns across the league in real time. This ensures you won't miss any key plays or scoring opportunities. Keep in mind that NFL RedZone does not include nationally televised games like those on NBC or CBS, but these are available through YouTube TV's base channel lineup. If you're a die-hard football fan, this add-on is a great way to stay connected to all the games throughout the season. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you understand the cost and benefits of YouTube TV's NFL RedZone, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.